Want to bring your Pac-Man game to life? In part 2, we're going to add smooth movement, collision detection, and make sure Pac-Man doesn't go through walls. We're diving into Pac-Man's movement. First, we need two variables to remember Pac-Man's last position before it moves. These are previous X, previous Y. Great! Now that we have the variables, let's move on to the fun part, creating our custom block. Click Make a Block and name it Detect Collision. You'll see an option to add inputs. Add two inputs and name them X and Y. This will allow us to pass movement values into the block every time Pac-Man moves. Now, let's define what this block does. Here's what we want this block to do. Move Pac-Man by the given X and Y values. Check if it's touching a wall, which in this case is blue. If it collides, send it back to its previous position. First, use the Change X by block and plug in the X input. Do the same for the Y input. Next, we check if Pac-Man is touching a blue wall. Use the If block and add the condition touching color blue. You can use the color picker to select the exact blue from your maze. Inside this condition, we'll make Pac-Man go back to its previous position using the Go to X, previous X, Y, previous Y block. I'll show you how to program Pac-Man so you can control him using the arrow keys, just like the classic game. Ready? To make Pac-Man move, we need to write a script that listens to the arrow keys and moves him in the right direction. First, grab the When Green Flag Clicked block from the Events category. This block will start our code whenever the green flag is clicked. Next, add a Forever loop from the Control category. The Forever block makes sure our code keeps running and constantly checks for key presses during the game. Now, we'll program Pac-Man to respond to each arrow key. Let's start with the up arrow. Go to the Sensing category and grab the key space pressed block. Change it to up arrow. Then, go to the Control category and grab an If block. Place the key up arrow pressed inside the If block. Inside this If block, we'll tell Pac-Man what to do when the up arrow is pressed. First, go to the Motion category and drag and point in direction 90. Change it to 0, which means up. Then, add Detect Collision 0.1 block. This makes Pac-Man move up the screen. Let's test it. Click the green flag and press the up arrow. Awesome. Now let's add movement for the other keys. To make Pac-Man move in all directions, we'll repeat the same steps for the down, left, and right arrow keys. For the down arrow, set point in direction to 180 and add the Detect Collision 10.0 block. This makes Pac-Man face down and move downward when the down arrow is pressed. Next, for the left arrow, set point in direction to -90. That makes Pac-Man face left. And for the right arrow, set point in direction to 90 for moving right. Now Pac-Man can move smoothly in all directions. Try it out yourself. This is especially important when he's not touching a wall. If we don't keep track of his position, our game might behave unpredictably. To fix this, we'll use two variables, previous X and previous Y, which store Pac-Man's last valid position. The condition checks if Pac-Man is not touching the walls. If the condition is true, it means Pac-Man is in a valid position. So we update previous X and previous Y to Pac-Man's current position using the X position and Y position blocks. This ensures we're always tracking Pac-Man's last valid spot. Great job! Now Pac-Man is moving and reacting to walls. But we're not done yet. In the next part, we'll animate the ghosts and improve Pac-Man's movement even more. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.